My name is Oliver Sumallo. I am 13 years old. I am currently holding the title of Cargo Hub Performance Supervisor. I am employed with Etihad Airways, currently based here in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. It's my ninth year now in the company. I joined in 2006, March 1. Previous to my employment with Etihad, I was working with Emirates Airlines. I spent or completed 3 years in Emirates in Dubai, based in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Before joining Etihad, I was a freighter supervisor, who was responsible in the overall operations for the freighter flights of Emirates Airlines.
So, first po, what made you want to be at your job right now? How did you start?
Okay, how did I end up with my job now? Right?
Yes po.
Okay. I studied in College of Aeronautics. It's all about aviation. So after graduation, I'm supposed to be an aircraft mechanic by profession, but at the time when we graduated, the airline industry in Philippines was so bad, there was no opportunity for me to get a job for an aircraft mechanic. So what I did is that I got the apprentice job in Hawaii. It's a domestic cargo uh, carrier in the Philippines, where I spent 6 months, or sorry, three months. And because of financial reason, I had to look for a good paying job, or a paying job. So I tried for employment. I ended up in Mia Store Logistics. It's a ground handling company back in Manila, who services for airlines as well. I was in the division of the cargo, and that's all how I started my career in the airline industry. I spent 3 years in ES4, and then I got the opportunity to be hired by Emirates. They required staff. They came to Manila, and I was lucky and I got selected from the position which I applied for, which is cargo assistant. And that gave me an opportunity to work abroad, as I said, initially in Dubai with Emirates Airlines, and now with Etihad Airways. The one who influenced me of taking an aviation course is my uncle, who was an aircraft mechanic as well, and currently based in the United States. So I wanted to follow his footsteps, but unfortunately, I ended up in another section, what you can say, in the airline.
What preparations did you make before you apply to a different section of airline industry?
First, so in the beginning, I didn't have any preparation. Or what I prepared is that I have to have my credentials for going to the interview, making sure that I have the right qualifications based on the advertisement that they have put in there, that they have put. So that's how I prepared myself.
Okay po. What is the culture of your company, sir?
The culture of my company.
Yes po, being the supervisor. How do you handle your staff
Okay.
and employees or the passengers?
I, actually, they had a company whose majority or all its employment are coming from different nationalities. So it's a multicultural company. Uh, I can say more than 40 nationalities are working with Etihad. So, and I think Etihad is being fair about it, and they're just being fair with everyone.
What are career development opportunities of your job?
Oh, okay. There are a lot. Okay, I started from the lowest, and in a matter of less than 2 years, I got promoted twice. Okay, and then with my tenure, it had for about nine years. I already got three promotions, and I got distinctions. They identify staff through different programs. They give the certificates. They give awards. They give appreciation letters. They send us for trainings, and they give us the opportunity to step up in an acting role, which currently I'm holding. I'm an acting duty manager, and that gives me an opportunity to develop myself and prepare myself of becoming a duty manager. And also, I got the opportunity to travel abroad. They have sent me in so many countries now for training and for work related travel as well. So I can say that there are opportunities, and they do it very well.
Okay. So, what are the benefits and perks of your job, sir?
Wow. First is I get to travel to so many places with sometimes free or are very cheap airfare, and of course it's not only the good pay, but only also the opportunities and the privileges that I get being employed by the had with discounts, with trainings, and with all the programs they have for the staff to grow more, to develop their career, and to explore themselves and know everything that they would like to know.
What are the challenges you face in performing the job?
Oh, sometimes the language barrier. So, and of course the culture. Since we're all coming from different countries with different nationalities, with different culture and customs. So sometimes there's a clash. And again, the language, because in my job, I always, or there are times that I have to deal with the lowest level of staff. So the language, of course, is a bit challenging. And also the culture in the Muslim country, especially in the Middle East, where it's very conservative. So that's also a factor.
Okay. What do you think are the competencies needed to excel in your job?
Oh, you have. It's not only being hardworking, but the patience and the determination to succeed.
Okay. What is the most recent skill you have learned that related to your job?
Uh, that is the presentation, how to present yourself to be in front of the audience, uh, to how to create a presentation, what are the contents, how to develop your body language, your tone of voice when giving the presentation. That's the latest one I had, but before that, I got a lot of trainings and development that I went through just to uh, be in this level now.
Have you experienced passenger complaining about lost baggages? How is it like in the cargo department?
Yeah, yeah, we handle a lot of complaints. It's not only over the phone, but sometimes in person. But we always give the answers to them, that and we always provide solutions.
And lastly, what advice can you give students who wants to pursue your job right now?
Uh, you are in the right direction, I can say, because coming into airline industry, not only to cargo, gives you a lot of opportunity, especially if you work in an airline. As one of my passion is to travel, to see places, and if you are having that same passion as I am, then I could say that you are heading the right direction.